Good morning, Anthony here at Johnson RV in Medford, Oregon. Wanted to bring you this 2022 OBi Dweller travel trailer. Very small, easy to maneuver, but you can see on the outside, very sturdy looking, made for that really outdoor traveling and stay. So we got our propane tanks here, our hitch, which is pretty cool, makes it swivel a little bit. So if you're on uneven land, really hard to get places, maybe you need to go over some rocks area, you can take this. Heavy duty tires. The build on this is amazing. Very sturdy, can handle anything. You got your spare tire area. As we walk inside, you'll see the steps here, very sturdy looking steps, grip handle. Walk your way up in this bad boy. You can see very spacious, see for a small pop-up travel trailer. Lots of windows, makes it feel very open. This table kind of sitting area. This table will swivel and around so you can change it up a little bit. So we sit on the bed. You've got your TV, your bathroom area. Real quick, I'm going to show you the wardrobe area. Lots of space. More drawers down there. You got your AC unit down near the floor. Solar panels. I'm going to back it up a little bit here. Step outside a little bit. You got your meters for your tanks. Now, one of my favorite areas is the bathroom area. Toilet, sink, shower. You can adjust it a little bit higher. Okay, front end. Again, more cabinet and drawer area storage. If you have any questions, my name's Anthony. You can find me here at Medford Johnson RV. 541-821-6635, or you can talk to any of our outfitters here. Have a good day. Take care.